In this quick and simple video, I'll be showing you how you can change ringing tone on this itel button phone itel 2160. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. So guys, it's very simple, but just that most people don't know how to change the ringing tone. And how do you do it? Tap here on the center here and go to menu, and on the menu you can see here settings. Select settings and tap on settings. If you tap on settings, scroll a bit down, you can see here profiles. Tap on profiles. If you tap on profiles, you can see it is on general, so come here and tap here on these options. If you tap on options, you can see here customize. Select and tap on customize, and in here you can see there are different ringing tone or different options here. Scroll down and look for ringing tone. You can see here's ringing tone. You can see right here sim 1 ring tone. You can see, though it's not really complete because it's too long, so leave it on this. Select this ring 1. You can see, tap on it, and you can see that there are different ringing tones here. Ringing tone 1, ringing tone 2. You can see. So reason why I am scrolling down is because I don't want the ringing tone to ring out. I don't want any sound to ring out. So if you want to select ringing to 1, ringing to 2, ring 3, 4, you can select anyone and tap on OK. You can as well also select audio from your own phone. You can see here select from files. You can see. So if you have a music on your phone, maybe you have a memory card, you can tap here, select on file. You can see phone. If there's a memory card, you will see a memory card. Select memory card or go to phone, tap, and you will see maybe a music. From there you can just choose any music, tap on audio and choose any music, and then set at ringing tone. As yes, a music, I can tap here and select as ringing tone and tap and save. You can see, right? So if someone calls me, you can see that very sound will be sounding as ringing tone. You can see, right? So that is it, guys. If I go here again and tap on options and go on customize and check my ringing tone, you can see here ring type. You can see ring 1 that I selected a file. Understand? So guys, that is it. Thanks for watching and bye.